There's a quote that I heard from this Muslim man, which I absolutely loved. And he said, if you visit someone's house and they open their door to you, and one of the first things you notice is the dust on their chandelier, the dust on their TV, the dust on their table, don't ever go back to that person's house. Not because their house isn't clean, but because your heart isn't clean. Because someone has opened their house to you, their home to you, their space to you. They could cook dinner for you, give you food, shelter, laughter, whatever it may be, and you're sitting there noticing the dirty coffee table, the one plate in the sink.
Yeah, that's
so...
You don't deserve a friend like that.
You don't deserve. So if you're a judgmental person,
stay home.
Stay home. Because true friendship is not about judgment. True friendship is about two hearts connecting and being there for each other.